Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about Karnataka State Law University examination notification as well as UGC guidelines. As you all know, yesterday we have received one notification from KSLU saying that firstly, we will conduct examinations of final semester. Then after, we'll plan to conduct intermediate semesters examinations they have mentioned. Along with that, they have mentioned we will collect the fees, means examination fees. That also will notify very soon. Like that, we have a received notification. I hope many of the students have been already seen that notification. So here, what we can understand, KSLU has planned to conduct examinations for even intermediate students also. So they have notified that we will be going to conduct even intermediate semesters examinations also, like that. But whereas students, many of the students have the confusions. What they have confusions? Many of the students have been seen UGC guidelines. As per UGC guidelines, engineering students have got promoted from the previous semesters to present semesters based on the internal assessment as well as the previous semester's results examinations. So that is also professional course, and LLB also professional course. Our students thinking that we can also get promotion like that, where earlier year done like that. In earlier year, what KSLU done is based on the previous semester results and present semester's assessment results. Based on that, they have got promoted for the students. The same way this year also will be done like that. Many of the students are thinking. Some of the students are thinking they may conduct examinations also because my own thought and my own view that now the situation is not bad. I hope this situation is good. Not much COVID cases are found entire the Karnataka. So in this situation, even classes also started and means classes also running. Even semester classes are conducting by the colleges every day. Even I hope half of the syllabus have been completed from the colleges. So whether it could be online or offline, many of the colleges have been doing that since many days. Colleges are taking classes. So my observation is maybe KSLU definitely will be going to conduct examinations for even semesters. As per the UGC guidelines, what they have mentioned is we need to see the situation, pandemic situation. So according to that, that state, maybe state advisory or central advisory have to take decision. On that basis, they can going to conduct the examinations like that they have mentioned. So in this situation, maybe my thoughts and my views, maybe they will be going to conduct examination after notified. After notified of KSLU examinations, they may have the chances the KSLU students going to give are going to court to get stay for the KSLU examinations because what they are thinking. Many of the degree colleges means degree students and engineering students have been promoted on the basis of previous semester result as well as present semesters assessment examinations, internal assessment examination. They have got promoted. Like that, we are also students. We are also right to seek that. That is also professional course, and our LLB also professional course. In MBBS, will what happens? They don't have any semesters. They will have a annual examinations. So for annual examination, I hope it will not much affect because MBBS students are very less. They can make examination with the social distance. They may conduct for the examination. But engineering students, for engineering students, they have not been conducted examinations on the basis of previous this year also on the basis of previous semester results and as well as present semester assessment they have got promoted. So we cannot say maybe promoted or they will be going to conduct examinations. So we need not to worry. My advice is to we need not to worry much about that. We have to concentrate on our studies. We need to study well for the upcoming examinations, whether they may be going to conduct or not. That doesn't matter for our knowledge sake. We have to study. And anyhow, in many videos have been explained about how to study for the LLB examination, how to write your own notes, how to manage the time, how to prepare for the upcoming LLB examinations. I have been given many videos. Please go through my videos, and I can show that UGC guidelines. I have one notification UGC guidelines. Just I will show in this glance. We can go through. If you have any doubt in the UGC guidelines, you can come back to me with the comment in YouTube channel so that I can clarify your questions with that, my answers, my own views and my thoughts, which I know. I'm saying that I'm not perfect. Whatever I'm saying, that is my own thoughts and my views. It is not applicable to any kind of any other views or something like that. It is my own view. Maybe happen, may not be happen. There will be a probabilities to give an answers for okay, especially for KSLU students. You can have a look on this notification with me. You can go through this UGC guidelines and as well as please don't think about much about the notification and about your upcoming LLB examination. Please you can't please concentrate on your studies at present. Studies you need to concentrate. I hope this video will have been given some of the clarity for your upcoming LLB examinations. KSLV has been notified. Definitely they will be going to conduct examinations. There will be a probability chances to conduct examinations for even semesters. Anyhow, already final semesters examinations has been notified. Definitely they will be going to conduct for final semesters. After completion of the final semesters, they will be going to conduct even odd semesters also. Sorry, even semesters also. And as they have mentioned, they will be give notification on examinations, and they will collect fees for the examinations very soon. This is my one knowledge I am sharing with you all students, and hope for the best. Wish you all the best, all KSLU students for upcoming LLB examinations. As I told you, there will be chances after uh, releasing the notification. The students may give it with notification to the court. We cannot say they may go for the court, like petitions might be can be made on the basis of UGC guidelines, because BTech or BE students have been promoted, and degree many of the degree uh, courses have been promoted. Why we not like that? There will be a question mark. So we'll see. Hope for the best. Thank you.